Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox Business files using Dropbox Backup feature, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Dropbox Business files using the Dropbox Backup feature, start by logging into your Dropbox Business account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Backups. In the Backups section, look for the option labeled Create Backup and click on it. Choose the type of backup you want to set up, either a computer backup or a cloud backup. For a computer backup, select the devices you want to backup from this list. Then, choose the specific folders or files you wish to include in this backup. Make sure to review your selections to ensure all important data is covered. Next, if you wish to set a schedule for automatic backups, select the frequency that best suits your needs. Once you've configured your settings, click on Create Backup to initiate the backup process. The backup will begin, and you can monitor its progress on the same screen. After the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. It's a good practice to periodically check your backup status to ensure everything is up to date. To restore files from your backup, return to the Backup section, find the completed backup, and click on Restore. Select the files or folders you wish to restore and click on the Restore button. Wait for the process to finish, at which point your files will be restored to their original location. Now, you have successfully backed up your Dropbox Business files using the Dropbox Backup feature. Regularly updating and verifying your backups can provide added security for your valuable data. Consider documenting your backup settings to maintain consistency in your backup strategy over time. By following these steps, you ensure that your files are safely backed up and easily recoverable when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.